Oh guys, my dog just died today. Buried him just now. I buried him with his favorite toy. He only lived for 2 months too. I love to play with him. He was hyperactive. Yes, he was hyperactive. He would jump up and down. Wait, I'll pause the video right here. Okay, he would jump up and down when we ate nice food. He would sit down, wag his tail. We'll give him some of our food. He'll lick my plate. He would lie by me, comfort me. In those 2 months, the best months of my life. Yeah, sure, he had to clean his pee and poop. But seeing my dog buried, the saddest thing in my life. It's the saddest thing in my life. Seeing my dog buried. I just wanted to update you guys on how my life's going right now. And it's going good. I'm just going to carry on. And that's all. Just carrying on. I told you guys in the beginning of this short, Pickles was buried with his favorite toy. And before he was buried, I told him to say hello to my other dogs, my 5 other dogs. Bella, Tessie, Chelsea, Ollie, and Layla. Those are my other 5 dogs buried in my backyard. Pickles was only 2 months old. Just wanted to update you guys.